Have you ever wondered why it feels like everyone online is at war and what that means for your business, your mindset, and your future? What if I told you that the filter bubble you've heard about is mostly a myth and that the real reason for division is hiding in plain sight? Stick with me because understanding this could be the edge that sets your business apart. Hey, my name is Ernest. I've built businesses in chaos, lost friends to algorithms, and learned that the real edge comes from understanding how the game is played. Today I show you why social media is dividing us, the science behind it, and how you can use this knowledge to build deeper connections, smarter strategies, and a business that thrives even when the world feels fractured. Is it really just social media's fault, or is something deeper going on? Political and social divisions are at historic heights. Nearly half of Americans fear civil conflicts, but this isn't just a US problem, it's global. Social media is often blamed, but the truth is more complicated. I remember losing a client after a single LinkedIn post, one comment, and suddenly I was the enemy. Does that sound familiar to you? We are not thinking machines that feel. We are feeling machines that think. You have heard social media locks you in a filter bubble, correct? But research shows you actually see more opposing views online than in real life. Are you surprised? When was the last time you changed your mindset because of a tweet or an Instagram post or a LinkedIn message, or did it just make you angrier? Stanford and MIT studies show online we are exposed to more diverse opinions than in our offline circles. It's like being thrown into a digital coliseum surrounded by strangers who all want to win at your expense. Ever felt like no one really gets you anymore? Are you really as open-minded as you think, or just reacting to the noise? Your brain wasn't built for this. Here's the twist. The problem isn't just the tech, it's about our biology. Our brains evolve for small tribes, tight circles where shared values created trust. However, social media throws us into a vast digital spaces, exposing us to endless opposing views without the social glue. Without the social glue that once helped us bridge divides. When I started my first agency, I thought I could handle any opinion, but every time I saw a post from the other side, my gut would clench. That's not logic, that's survival mode. We don't see things as they are, we see them as we are. People say just ignore the trolls, but the platforms are designed to trigger you. Anger keeps you scrolling, and scrolling keeps them rich. So ask yourself, are you building a business or just building walls? The Atlantic reports negative posts spread 6 times faster than positive ones. Outrage is the business model. Social media is like drinking salt water when you are thirsty. The more you consume, the worse you feel. Most of us think we are immune, but we are all being shaped, one scroll at a time. How division destroys trust and revenue. If you are running a business, yes, this isn't just theory, it's your bottom line. When you're stuck in the outrage machine, you can't focus, connect, or lead. Every DM feels like a landmine, every sales call a debate. I've lost deals because I couldn't see past my own biases, ignored opportunities because I assumed the worst. He who fights monsters must take care not to become one. Everyone says just hustle harder, but what if hustling in the wrong direction is what's burning you out? Are your routines designed for connection or for conflict? Harvard Business Review states that entrepreneurs with diverse empathetic networks outperform those who isolate themselves. It's like trying to row a boat with one rower. You just go in circles. Some days I want to quit, but then I remember why I started. I still feel alone sometimes. It's nothing new, believe it or not, even in my stage. But every time I help someone else escape the noise, I feel a little less lost. So the question you will probably ask yourself, how do you escape the trap and turn division into opportunity? The best way will be to follow people who challenge you, not just agree with you. So if you have the opportunity, join or create small groups, build a mastermind, fire your digital village, practice media literacy, use tools that reveal bias and show multiple perspectives. Reflect before reacting and just simply ask yourself, is this helping me or just feeding the algorithm? Prioritize real conversations. As an example, book calls, meet in person, send voice notes. Switching to voice notes with clients changed everything. deals closed faster, relationships got deeper. In a world of noise, clarity is your superpower. So ask yourself, are you building a business for likes or for legacy? Top performing agencies report 3 times higher client retention when they build real relationships, not just funnel. Think of your business like a garden. You can't automate trust. You have to plant it, water it, and protect it from weeds. Social media isn't just dividing us, it's hijacking our brains, our businesses, and our sense of self. But you can break the cycle, build deeper connections, stronger businesses, and a life that's actually yours. Use these steps and you won't just survive the chaos, you'll thrive in it. If this is something you could relate to, subscribe for more raw tactical advice on building your business and your mind in a world that is going mad. And now remember, in the end, the only way out is true, but you don't have to walk it alone.